Creating a professional logo is essential for branding, and with Looka, you can design one easily without needing advanced graphic design skills. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a custom logo using Looka. Visit Looka's website. Go to looka.com. Click on Get Started to begin the logo creation process. Enter your business name. Input your business or brand name. You can also add a tagline if you want it to be part of the logo. Pick your logo style. Browse through different styles like modern, classic, elegant, or bold. Select the ones that resonate with your brand's personality. Choose colors. Pick a color palette that fits your brand. You can select up to 3 colors. Select logo symbols. Search for symbols related to your business or let Looka suggest some based on your industry. Generate and customize your logo. Looka will generate a variety of logos based on your inputs. Select a design you like and customize it further. You can adjust the font, color, layout, and symbol placement. Preview your logo. View your logo on different mockups like business cards, social media, and websites to see how it looks in real-world applications. Purchase and download. Once satisfied, purchase your logo. Looka offers different packages, including high-resolution files, brand kits, and more. Download your logo in various formats, PNG, SVG, etc., for different uses. Creating a custom logo with Looka is a straightforward process that ensures your brand stands out with a professional look. Try it out and give your brand the visual identity it deserves. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.